Hello guys, today we are going to talk about the initial rate method for determining the reaction order. But first, what is the meaning of the reaction order? The reaction order is the relationship between the rate of the chemical reaction and the concentration of a species taking part in it. It indicates how much the rate of reaction changed if the concentration of reactant changed. And now we are going to know how to determine the order of the reaction. There are three methods we can use to determine the reaction order. They are the initial rate method, the integrated method, and the differential method. And today we are going to talk about the initial rate method. This table shows the three trails, concentration of our reactants A and B measured in molarity, and the rate of each trail measured in molarity divided by seconds. We will use this formula to solve for alpha and beta, which are the reaction orders. Since they are two unknowns, we will pick trail 1 and 2 because they have the same concentration for reactants B, which would cancel out and we would be left with one unknown, which is alpha. So we will divide rate 1 by rate 2 and plug the values for each reactants A and B. Next, we can cancel out like terms, so the K cancel and the concentration of reactants A in both the trails cancel out too. When we divide the left side, we get half, and we divide 0.01 by 0.02, we get half power alpha. And since half power 1 equal to half, then alpha equal to 1, which means it's a first order reaction. Now, let's solve it for beta. Using the same process, but in this time we will use trail 2 and 3 since reactant A doesn't change in concentration for both trails. When we plug in values for each reactants A and B, we can cancel K's and the alphas. And when we divide the left side, we get quarter. Dividing 0.01 by 0.02 gives us half to the power of beta. The value of beta can be determined by taking the natural logarithm of both sides of the equation. Dividing both sides by ln half, we get beta equal to 2. So it's a second order reaction. In the rate equation, replace alpha with 1 and beta with 2 and we will get our rate law. Now we can determine the order of overall reaction if we take the sum of alpha and beta to have a value of 3. So it is the third order reaction. And that's it. Thank you for watching.